Hello, this is Christian with Topline Roofing. Today we're here at 72 Bloomfield Lane, Williamsboro, New Jersey, about to do a tattoo repair for one of my clients, Mrs. Stern. Let's see how this goes. As you can see, this shingle has a crease for wind damage. Let's change it. See, I just took this piece off that was damaged. I'm going to be replacing with a new piece. As you can see, I just finished doing my attention repair. I'm checking if there was any creases due to the repair, and as you can see, there is. We can see the crease across that wasn't there before. That one, neither was that one. Also is this one. We also see that one got a small crease. This got another crease here. So yes, definitely this got a crease across. This is definitely not repairable. Yeah, you can start.